First drawing of step. Now I've just got the snips out and I'm just going to cut this out. Right then, I've cut this out. If this works, it'll be a bloody miracle, believe me. I am going to have a problem down here just because of the way the metal bends, I think. Yeah. In my head, I think this is... I think it's right. I think it is as good as I can get it out of one bit of metal anyway. I am going to have to patch up a couple of bits of it, as I say. So now the problem is I've got to do a bit of folding now, and the only thing I've got to fold is a broken vise and a little I love this anvil. That belongs to the father-in-law, but I've had it for so long. I'm hoping that it belongs to me. So, and a hammer. Not that one, a different one. So what I'm going to try and do then is fold it. Now think about this step. Doesn't matter what the step looks like, apart from one edge, which is where the door sill goes on it. So that's the one we've got to be really careful of, which is a bit of a nightmare, to be fair. Okay, so I'm just going to bend some bends, and we'll see what it ends up like. See you in a minute. First bend. First bend. Already it looks like a step, don't you think? Needs to be a bit more of a right angle than that. Beautiful. Okay, so there you go, one bend done. And got to try and bend all of the rest of it now. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. This is quite exciting. Okay, so now you've got to say that really is actually starting to look like a step, isn't it? Awesome. So this is my excuse me, profile of my step, and so you can see I've got to try and. It's not bad. It's not bad. I just need to sort of like manipulate it around a little bit more. And then I've got to do some sort of more intricate, that's the word I'm looking for, intricate stuff on it. So I'm not quite sure how to do that yet, but let's carry on. Look at this. Look at this. A little bit of fettling later. And now that properly does look like a step, doesn't it? Hey? What a result. Right, okay, now it's looking good. I've still got to do a seam across here, so I'm just going to batter that with a hammer. And a bit of metal. And then I've got to cut the old one out. So I'm just going to go and cut the old one out now before it gets too late. Okay. I don't need to video that. Angle grinder, cutter, yeah, gone. Okay, you've got to check this out. Now, bear in mind, I am so pleased with myself. It's incredible. Look what I've just made all by myself. Look at that. Out of one bit of metal. Made myself a step. Okay, so now bear in mind, it's not going to sit in quite right because I've got to just trim this edge off here. But look at that bad boy. That, oh man, you got to say, even if you don't like what I've done, you got to say that's pretty fucking clever. Okay, so yeah, I'm made up, I am. So what I've got to do, I've got to trim off this edge, down there, and then just sort of like, we'll tack it in, I guess. Really, it's all going to be good round the front and down the back side here, and all round the back and everything else. Problem is, remember I said this when I was cutting out in the first place. There's nothing I could do about this, so I'm going to have to put a little bit in there. Now, bear in mind, this is where the seal is as well, so it's probably the worst place this could go. Or I could have an issue. But, you know, nothing's impossible. Let's do it. Let's just do it.